Imagine turning your ideas into full cinematic videos just by typing a sentence. That's what Vidu AI does. And today, I'm diving deep into how it works, what it can do, and showing you 5 advanced level prompts that take things to the next level. I've already made a beginner-friendly Vidu AI video where I covered the basics. You'll find that linked in the description below. But this one? This one is for creators and power users who want to unlock Vidu's true potential. What is Vidu AI and what makes it special? Vidu AI is a next-gen AI video generation tool built by Shengshu Tech and backed by Tsinghua University. Think of it like OpenAI's Sora, but optimized for Chinese and global users. Unlike traditional video editing tools, Vidu lets you create 1080p videos just by entering a prompt. It combines image generation, motion design, character animation, and scene transitions all in one click. Its core strengths include text to video in seconds, realistic motion with high frame rates, anime and live action style support, scene to scene storytelling. Now let's dive into 5 powerful prompts and see what it can really do. 5 advanced text to video prompts. Prompt 1. Futuristic city drone shot. Prompt: a high-speed drone shot flying through a neon-lit futuristic city at night. Rain falling, cars below, reflections on glass skyscrapers, cinematic atmosphere. This prompt focuses on camera motion and environment rendering. Notice how Vidu handles reflections, lighting, and depth. Perfect for sci-fi content or cinematic transitions. Prompt 2. Space travel POV. Prompt: first-person view of traveling through a wormhole into deep space. Colorful light distortions, fast motion, galaxy details, cinematic sci-fi style. Watch how the AI interprets motion blur and cosmic elements. This is great for intros, music videos, or educational space content. Prompt 3. Peaceful nature B-roll. Prompt: a slow pan over a lush green forest in the early morning fog, birds flying across the screen, sun rays peeking through the trees, relaxing mood. Here you can see how Vidu handles natural lighting and environmental detail. This type of video works great for meditation, storytelling, or nature-related content. Prompt 4. Fantasy Wizard Duel. Prompt: 2 wizards battle with glowing magical spells in an ancient forest. Lightning effects, camera rotates around them, cinematic fantasy action. This one pushes the AI's action rendering to the limit. Movement, special effects, and even choreography come alive with just text. Prompt 5. Art Gallery Time Warp. Prompt: a surreal animation of a camera flying through a morphing art gallery, where paintings change styles from Renaissance to Cubism to abstract. Music playing. Perfect for creative projects or explainer content. Vidu can simulate style transitions and even music sync visuals. So, what makes Vidu AI stand out from tools like Pika, Runway, or Sora? It's fast, user-friendly, and surprisingly detailed. But it's not perfect. You might see occasional glitches in motion or realism. That's normal for AI video tools right now. If you're using these prompts, tweak them for your niche. Add emotions, angles, or even location names to personalize them. If you want to explore more cool tools like this, don't forget to subscribe. I drop regular tutorials on AI tools, content creation hacks, and digital creativity. And hey, if you missed my first Vidu AI tutorial, it's linked in the description. Go watch that next to understand how to actually use the platform step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.